everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 31st day in this 100 days of coding challenge. If you are new to this challenge and wanna learn interesting things related to coding, then follow my 100 days of code challenge playlist and even watch my previous video where I started building this project. Try to be consistent if you are serious about it. Yesterday I started working on this Sudoku game using a backtracking algorithm. If you missed it, the link will be in the description. Go and check it out. Today I will work on valid and print board modules. Try to trace the logic behind this code. Only then you can understand it. Are you ready? Let's work on it. Done with the Sudoku game. If you give the puzzled Sudoku game, it will take that board as input and give us the solved Sudoku board as output. If you want, you can even upgrade this using GUI modules of Python. If possible, I will work on it later. If it is hard to trace out and if you want me to explain, just let me know through comments. I will definitely make a separate video on explaining it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.